Man just wanted to see how his friend would feed the crocodile, but as soon as he walked toward the viewing platform, his friend quickly pulled up the wooden bridge that connected the two sides, leaving the man standing alone. Seeing the crocodile swimming swiftly toward him, the man hurriedly picked up some meat from the ground and threw it to the crocodile. However, his friend simply left him behind. As the man looked around frantically, he noticed a small boat parked at a distance. In that moment of panic, he quickly came up with a plan. He rapidly turned the dial on his watch, activating the magnetic suction device. The next moment, the small boat slowly began drifting toward him due to the magnetic pull. Just as the man was relieved that he could finally escape, he realized the boat was tied to a rope. This left him in a panic, with the crocodile getting closer by the second. The man had no choice but to throw the last piece of meat to the crocodile, but it was obvious that it wasn't nearly enough to satisfy the hungry beast. Terrified, the man quickly stepped back, knowing the crocodile had now set its sights on him as food. Just as he was running out of options, he turned around and noticed the crocodiles had lined up in a row. Without hesitation, he stepped onto the crocodiles' backs and ran towards the shore. Once he reached land, he started to jog off, intending to confront his friends, but then he suddenly stopped, looking back at the hungry crocodiles in the water. Thinking about his friend's cold-heartedness, an audacious idea began to form in his mind.